Welcome to my YouTube channel.
There it is. What was on right now wasn't a great idea. Yeah.
What you eating? Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Oh, that one through. Oh, good, good.
Got it.
Whoop, there you go. I can't see it. Did it go down?
I don't know.
Next field.
Got it.
Come up here now. Here. Hey, here. Oh, he's just taking the pad. Easy pass. Huh?
Good dog.
Good boy, buddy.
Good boy.
This
Awesome.
is going to be a heck of a picture with all these birds lined up on them,
Yeah.
on them boards up there.
There it goes. And then a little squat, bam. There it goes. Hey.
Next time we'll have to bring one.
That's all right.
Hey. The trees blocked it. Yeah!
He's showing off now. Yep. He's like, look at me, look at me.
I did it! Yeah!
Good boy.
That's 12 out of 12.
Boy.
Oh yeah. Birdie McGee.
That's a clean bird right there.
Yeah. Clean kill. Its neck is all dangly.
Yep. Don't close your eyes though.